Step 2 is weed and feed, professional strength weed control plus lawn food. Weed and feed is applied to your yard when the world turns yellow with dandelions. This usually occurs sometime between April and June. Weed and feed needs to be applied to a wet lawn. This could occur after a heavy morning dew or after you've watered your lawn. We want it to fly out of the spreader and stick to wet leaves. For best results, do not mow 2 days before or after the application so the weeds are nice big targets and catch lots of weed and feed. We don't want to have any rain or irrigation for 2 days after application because we don't want to rinse the weed killer off the leaves.
Get the grass pad's very own weed and feed. If you got dandelions, they're prancing in your yard. Hit the grass pad's weed and feed. Hit 'em fast and hard. You'll see nary a dandelion, and brother, that's a fact. So come on down to the grass pad and give those weeds a whack. Come on down to the grass pad. The grass pad's high on grass.